Hey everybody, I just moved into my new apartment, and as you can see, my shower was leaving these terrible white film all over my floor from harsh water deposits. It was getting on my skin, irritating my skin, itching my skin. It was really bad. So I was in desperate need to get a water filter, and it's got a lot better. It's about 70% better. It took out all those harsh water minerals and chlorine and fluoride. So this is the Kobe filter. It's in the description below. It's about $15. You can get it on Amazon. It comes really quick. Came the next day. It looks like this. It's just a cartridge and a casing. This is the actual filter here. When you get the filter, you want to make sure you rinse it out for about 5 minutes on both sides, just to get out any extra materials that you don't want to go on your skin. But the filter is filled with a lot of minerals, healthy minerals and benefits, and helps with itching and irritation and dry skin. First you want to do is take off the shower head. My shower head was a little bit of a process, so I had to get this tool because it was being stubborn. Not all shower heads you need this tool, but it does help if you can't get it off with your hands. Once you clean out the filter, put the cartridge back inside the casing and just twist the casing on. Please be gentle because it is a plastic casing, so you could mess up the ridges from the metal shower head, which happened to me. As you can see here, I'm struggling to twist it on. It twists on, but doesn't go all the way on because the ridges tore off, so I had to get another one. Just be careful, basically, but it works really well. As you can see, I got a new one and I fixed it, and it's been really good. It helped about 70%. It was about 70% better than the previous shower without the filter. As you can see, a lot less, film, but also it feels better on the body. My skin was not irritated at all. Kobe filter, it's in the description below. It's about $15. You can get it on Amazon. It comes really quick, came the next day.